Hello, this is Nicholas here, and I'm going to walk you through the demo of the bookservices.site platform. Obviously, for you to get here, it means you're interested in owning a website and admin portal for your business, for your service-based business. So this is basically how it's going to look. You would be able to edit all this content from your admin portal, and I'm going to show you your admin portal in a few minutes. But for now, let's go over the public facing pages. So this is your home page. Don't worry about the content. Once you register and have your website assigned to you, you can edit any of this. Your services, your testimonials, your products, and this is a call to action, and then the footer, right? Then let's go to the about us. In the about, you can see these details here. Any service-based business can actually use this platform. It doesn't matter if you're an event planner, makeup artist, photographer, videographer, plumber, electrician, HVAC, no matter the service you are offering, as long as it's a service-based business, you can actually make use of this platform and you can edit all this content to suit your needs. On the services, as you can see here, it's just going to present your services, and you can actually click on view details to see more details about the service. Then products, as you can see, products right here: available, unavailable, limited availability. When they click on it, they can actually reach out to you directly via the call, or ask questions via contact us about the product, and you can give them feedback on how to deliver the product to them. Now we go over to resources. This is where your gallery is, where they can see your gallery. You can set up your gallery, images and content. Your testimonials, you can actually set this up from your admin portal as well, so you'll be able to provide the testimonials you are getting from your customers. Then FAQ, you can also set FAQ to your taste on the admin portal as well, so you can customize basically all the content on this platform. This is your contact us, and people can actually send you contact us messages based on your plan. You would be able to receive messages via email. Right now, this is basically an overview of the public facing pages for your website. This, as you can see, this is demo.bookservices.site. It's very easy on the eyes, and it's very simple to understand, and it is going to represent your business wholeheartedly, right? So, and you can actually register for free, test it out, see the capabilities of what it can do, and decide to upgrade if you want to. Now, this is your admin portal. The purpose of this admin portal is to do a lot of things: to enable you adjust the content of your public facing page, which is your website and its details, and to also help you set up your inventory, set up your quotes, your invoices, your receipts, know your cash flow. Are you making money or are you losing money? Right? As you can see, it is going to be able to give you your cash flow trend. You can also see your finance snapshot, the cash collected, inventory value, outstanding expenses. You can quickly see these metrics right here. It gives you an overview of what is going on your platform. As you can see here under analytics, you can actually see the various details, the recent tracking events, and obviously your revenue and your expenses. You can actually set up your inventory, stock in, stock out, the movements of your stock, and you can actually set up your products right here. You can set up your services, the services that you do offer. You can actually set up your customers, the customers you have, whether a business or an individual. Now, if you do make service visits, you can actually document it here, especially if you are growing at scale and you have people working under you. They can document their service visits here, and you can actually see what is going on the platform. Now, let's go over to product categories and service categories. Are categories that you set to help you adjust the product and see the categories of each product. So, for example, under product categories, you can have your packages, your tools, your supplies. Under service categories, you can have premium support. Is based on various businesses, so you are in charge of what you want to put for your categories. Now, under the quotes, you can present your quotations. You can also download this in PDF format, and it is going to be able to showcase your business and the full details. So you have it in PDF format. You don't need to worry about moving around through websites trying to get your quotes or your invoices or your receipts. As you can see here, you can easily just set those things up in one place, and you can actually download them and distribute them to your customers or who needs to receive them, including your receipts. Let's say you've presented a service, you can just go into your admin portal, put in the details, which is this. It will provide you with the link to download your receipt. You just need to click on this to download it, and you can see, voila, you can see the receipts and you can send it to your customer. So you have your payment. This is where you can record the payments that you are receiving on the platform for bookkeeping or accounting. Same goes with sales, the sales that you've made. Same goes with expenses. So all your expenses, you can record them right here. Now we also have suppliers, the people who are supplying to you. Same goes with purchase orders, stock locations, and we have site copy. This is where you can adjust the various contents of the website. This is for the global, then home. You can adjust it to your needs, make sure it looks right to what your business is all about. We also have the about, we have the services, right? We have the products, right? So you can go through each and every single one of them to adjust them to your needs, and it's very, very easy to do. You just need to know what you want your website to say. Now, if you're on the starter plan or you're on the professional plan and you need help with this, you just need to let us know and we'll help you set it up, and you can just review. Okay, it's not a difficult thing, but if you're on the free plan, you would have to set it up yourself. Now, on the FAQ, this is where you can set up your various FAQs. Very simple and straightforward. Then gallery, I've explained gallery. You can put in your gallery images. Then we have, I think, testimonials, where you can put in the reviews that you're getting from your clients. Okay. Now, we have messages. This is where if people fill out the contact us form, they would fall under here, and you can actually be able to see what people are submitting, and you can reach out to them directly. Okay. Also, on the starter and the professional plans, you would, once somebody fills out the form, you get an email regarding it, and you can actually carry out your action from there. Now let's go to domains. This is for people who want a custom domain that to be set up for them. You just need to reach out to us to let us know. The setup fee is it's 10,000 correctly, but it change from time to time. However, it does not include your domain and your purchase and renewal fees. And you should also know that this is only available to people on the starter and professional or professional plan. Basically, starter or professional plans. All right. Then we have billing. Obviously, this is for people who want to upgrade. And we have administrators. You can set your administrators. Like administrators basically means staff users. Your staff users, you can set them up, and they will be able to assist you in making sure everything is going well on the platform. Then this is your roles. This is where you can set the various roles of your administrators on the platform. Then settings. This is where you can put in your settings details, your colors, your logos, your images. This is where you can set all that good stuff. Then your audit logs. This is where you can see what's going on the platform. And your backups and exports. You can export the CSV files of every single data on your platform. All right, so this is basically your admin portal. It does so much, and I believe as you register and you use it, I always encourage people, if you are skeptical about it, that is why we have the free plan. you can test it out and have a look and go of it and ensure that it fits perfectly well into your service-based business, and I'm sure it would. And if you have any questions or any issues at all or anything you want to discuss, I want you to feel free to let us know. Thank you very much, and bye bye.